Media and information literacy is a combination of knowledge, attitudes, skills, and practices required to access, analyze, evaluate, use, produce, and communicate information and knowledge in creative, legal, and ethical ways that respect human rights. There are three types of media and information literacy. First, print media is one of the oldest and basic forms of mass communication. It includes newspapers, weeklies, magazines, monthlies, and other forms of printed journals. A basic understanding of the print media is essential in the study of mass communication. Second, broadcast media. The term broadcast media covers a wide spectrum of different communication methods such as television, radio, newspapers, magazine, and any other material supplied by the media and press. Lastly, digital or new media is any media from newspaper articles and blogs to musics and podcasts that are delivered digitally. From a website or email to mobile phones and streaming apps, any internet-related form of communication can be considered new media. Media consisting of paper and ink were produced in a printing process that is traditionally mechanical. Here are the three key components of media in information literacy. First, personal locus. Second, knowledge structures. And last, skills. These three are necessary to build your wider set of perspectives on the media. Your personal locus provides mental energy and direction. Your knowledge structures are the organizations of what you have learned. And the importance of media in information literacy. The benefits of media literacy for students are multiple. First and foremost, media literacy helps students become wiser consumers of media as well as responsible producers of their own media. Along those same lines, teaching media literacy helps to foster critical thinking in students.